Creating cutouts or openings in our metal-skinned aircraft is a common and important skill for any metal aircraft builder. Typical needs for these openings are for access panels, landing lights, and in our presentation here, a wing storage locker. The cutouts need to be precise in both their size and location. Here you will see us demonstrate one method for achieving this goal. The cover is used as a template to draw out the section of top wing skin that needs to be removed. We have constructed a simple tool out of a thin piece of scrap aluminum to help us feel exactly where the spar is located, as the upper edge of the door needs to be cut even with the edge of the spar, and this helps us locate that edge precisely so that when we go to cut we get a very nice fit and do not nick the spar itself. A good size hole needs to be drilled at each corner of our cutout Our method for removing the section of skin for the baggage locker is to use a knife and score the skin. We have taped down a ruler to act as our straight edge, and the knife we're using is called an Olfa knife. It is inexpensive, but it is highly desirable in creating nice, smooth, straight cuts into the thin aluminum skin. Depending on how hard you press, anywhere from 10 to 20 scores with this knife will cut through the metal skin. This scoring needs to be performed on each of the 4 sides. Notice the ruler also protects the good skin. In case we slip with the knife, we will not damage the good side of our cut. When we are ready, we can knock out the section of skin that now becomes the opening for our locker bay. And remember, it's important that each of the corners be nice and rounded so that we don't have any stress risers, especially in the top of our wing.